Good evening, Henderson families, and welcome to our virtual back to school night here at Henderson Elementary School and our Title I presentation. My name is Dr. Ramirez, and I'm excited to introduce myself as your new principal. We also have a new assistant principal, and her name is Miss Godfrey. Welcome to distance learning. This is new for everyone this year, and we're excited to see how well boys and girls and teachers are doing learning in our new learning platform. Student participation and attendance is crucial. We are still learning every day, so boys and girls, please make sure you're checking in by 8:45 a.m. That's when attendance is taken. And we also want to make sure that boys and girls are learning in a synchronous and asynchronous instruction format. For each of the days, we have whole and partial days of distance learning. Please contact your child's teacher if you have any questions about attendance. Distance learning behavior expectations are important so that we have optimal learning at all times. We are still in school, so please make sure that students are ready for learning, and we ask that students be dressed and ready to go for the day. Please also help us by keeping background noise to a minimum. It does get noisy at home, so we want to make sure that boys and girls are online and muting at all times if necessary. Be sure students are in an appropriate learning space, such as a desk or table to learn, sitting upright, and behavior concerns will be discussed by the teacher and administration if necessary. Husky communication is number one here at Henderson. We make sure that parents receive weekly parent calls, monthly newsletters, emails, and texts will be sent home. And please check out our website here at Henderson Elementary for any new and updated information. We have a fabulous parent PTA. We want to make sure that our parents and volunteers are involved in every aspect here at Henderson. Join our PTA. It is a volunteer-based program for students, and we want to make sure that students are provided with the best support at all times. We have a fabulous president, Stevie Price, and vice president, Melissa Hilton, here at Henderson Elementary School. So if you have any information, please contact them or fill out a PTA parent volunteer form. Please join our school site council. This is one way you can also be engaged and part of your students' learning experience. We have elections for school site council coming soon, so be part of our school and see how it operates. Please pick up a nominee form from the office to be part of the election. Also, we want to make sure of any announcements. They will be notifying you of upcoming elections, so please check our website for more information. Band is here at Henderson. That's right. If you're a 4th, 5th, or 6th grader, you can join band. Please ask your classroom teacher how your student can be part of band and all the fun this year. And now for our annual Title I parent meeting. I'm excited to share all of this great information with you. It is available in this PowerPoint presentation, so you can look at it at any time online. And I will go ahead and cover the areas that are very important and critical for you as a stakeholder here at Henderson Elementary School. What is Title I will be covered. Parent rights under Title I, parent involvement, school achievement data, school plan for student achievement, Title I funds, Title I parent and family engagement policy, and home school compact. What is Title I? Title I is a TK-12 program that provides additional academic support and learning opportunities for students at schools with high percentages of socioeconomically disadvantaged children. The program is intended to help ensure that all students meet state academic standards. Goals of Title I: increase academic achievement, provide direct instruction support to students, provide professional development for teachers, as well as promote parent education and involvement. Your rights as parents: we want to make sure that you have rights and know your rights. You have the right to ask for meetings and trainings. If you would like, please let the principal know. Review the results of annual parent involvement effectiveness survey. Also, we want to make sure that you are able to review school achievement data, and we want to make sure that you have access to parent involvement plan, which is our school plan for student achievement, the SIPSA plan, review and modify Title I parent and family engagement policy, and school parent compact. Here at Henderson, we have the School Site Council, which provides parents with opportunities to be involved in the academic program of the school. The School Site Council develops, monitors, and evaluates the school plan for student achievement. It also makes sure that we implement programs and services that support students. Parent involvement to our school, we have our PTA, School Site Council. We also have family learning engagement nights, back to school nights, open house nights, as well as STEAM nights, and volunteering in your child is also an opportunity for you to be part of your students' academic learning. School achievement data, schools analyze student academic progress and the LPAC results and spring 2020 CASP data. So we want to make sure that at all times we're looking at our data to help drive our instruction. Schools use the data to align curriculum and state and district academic standards. Schools also can adjust instructional practice based on the findings of the assessment. Our school performance data is based on our ELA and math performance. This was from the previous school year. Due to the fact of COVID-19, we do not have current CASP scores. Goal 1, teaching and learning. Provide high quality teaching and learning for all students to increase ELA and math scores. As you can see, the data is below, showing that we have 57.6 students below our standard, as well as in math, we have 59.4% below standard. Goal 2 we want to share is our systems of support, develop an integrated system of frameworks for academic behavior, social emotional success for all students by decreasing suspensions. Our suspensions were in the red, which is showing that we have 11.6 increase and a 4.8% increase as well. Goal 3, culture and climate. Fully engage stakeholders to create a culture and climate to support all students to decrease chronic absenteeism. That is another goal that we are working on this year to ensure students are in class. Our students, all students, were 22.7% below standard, and we want to ensure that students are attending school, and it looks like we have increased our chronic absenteeism by 2.9%. School plan for student achievement is our SIPSA. Parents are informed about the school curriculum in English, language, arts, and math as well, and other core subjects. Parents receive information about the assessment used to measure student progress in these academic areas. Here at Barstow Unified School District, we have a core curriculum in our elementary schools. Our ELA grades K through 6 uses the Wonders curriculum. For ELA grades 7 through 12, we have collections. And for our math grades K through 8th, we have Go Math. Science K-8th, we have Amplify. Social Studies K-8th, Teacher Curriculum Instruction, TCI. Social Studies program is our McGraw-Hill. And our TK students have Big Day Perk. So boys and girls have a variety of curriculum accessible to them at all times. We have assessments, which are listed right here. We have a variety of assessments that are given throughout the year to ensure that students are meeting benchmarks as well as making progress throughout the year. Our assessment proficiency levels are important to ensure students are meeting needed or exceeded growth. Here at Barstow Unified School District, we use our benchmarks for our report cards to reflect the following proficiency levels. Here at Barstow Unified and in the state of California, students take the CASP assessment, and the proficiency levels are the following. Because we are a Title I school, we do receive Title I funds, and they're allocated on the basis of number of students eligible for free and reduced lunch. Schools in Barstow Unified School District are ranked according to the percentage of schools that receive a certain amount of money per student, and funds must supplement, not supplant, district funds. Title I funds, 1% of a school's total Title I budget is for parent involvement activities. Our parent engagement family Parent and family engagement policy ensures that every Title I school, in collaboration with parents, must prepare a site-level parent and family engagement policy. The parent and family engagement policy describes how the school will involve the parents in an organized, ongoing, and timely way in the planning, overview, and improvement of Title I programs at their school. Our Title I parent and family engagement policy copies are available in the office. If you are interested, we have family engagement policy available for everyone every year, and it is distributed to all families. The School Parent Compact describes the responsibilities of the school, the parent, and the student for improved student achievement. Developed in collaboration among parents, teachers, and students, this item is also updated yearly, shared and completed by a student, parent, and teachers. Our School Parent Compact, we review every year, and it was developed and how it is reviewed and revised as needed and how and when it is distributed to parents. If you have any questions, and please contact Dr. Maris for questions and concerns. Thank you very much for your time. Again, if you have any questions, please contact the office and have a great evening.